when you're doing the ceramic tile, you need to make sure that you use a modified grout. Kind of Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on putting in ceramic tile in the bathrooms. I've got my 12 by 12 floor tiles, got 1/4 inch backer board tile board. We'll put it on the floor first. Got tub tiles, grout, thin set, and various tools. So we're going to get started by overlaying the wood floors with the tile board. We're going to glue that down, screw it down about 8 inches on square. That'll give the substrate enough room so that it can move without causing problems with the tiles and delamination of tiles, cracking of grout, and various other issues. That's mainly an issue when you do something over a wood floor, because even in these older houses especially, you got a little bit of flex in the floors, they'll tend to crack and break your tiles, and you don't want that. You want to do a good substrate. So you overlay it with a backer board, and that gives you a barrier between your floor system and your tile, so that if there's any expansion, contraction, movement of the base, your tiles don't crack, they don't delaminate. Another good thing is when you're doing the ceramic tile, you need to make sure that you use a modified grout. It's kind of a rubberized grout, not really, but yes, it flexes a little bit, and it bonds better in this kind of situation, so that you not have a dry brittle grout that will crack. So without boring you too much more, we're going to go ahead and get started in putting the tile board down. today we didn't seem to get a lot done, but we got some important things done. Got all the backer board on the floor, and we got the tile around this one tub. Got everything cut, everything done. So I was going to go with a 4-inch square tile, but they didn't have any in stock, and apparently 4-inch tiles are being phased out. And well, they had 6-inch tiles, so that's what we went with. But let's take a look. You can see what we've got here. You can see what we've got here. Just 6-inch tile. We haven't grouted anything yet, but it's looking pretty good. We'll get it grouted in the next day or so, and this tub will be done. Tomorrow we're going to start working on the other bathroom. I'm going to go ahead and put the tile around that tub, and if everything works like we expect, some floor tile on as well, and we'll be done with this part, and we'll be ready to start putting some cabinets and stuff in. But I can't put my interior doors and cabinets in until I get my tile in, so stay tuned and see you later.